We are here at Cripple Creek, guys. So definitely, if you liked the last video, this one should be a pretty good one. I'm gonna do a little recording on old Potts up here. Get some footage on him. As usual, just be mindful that the audio is probably gonna be terrible because I'm using my new Insta360 camera. So not sure how the audio is gonna sound without a microphone on it, but time will tell. You need help you? Hell yeah, man. Good catch. What'd you catch him off of?
A little minute or two.
It's a nice one, man.
Yeah.
God almighty! Oh, open my bell and my reel. That's weird. God almighty! I don't think I've ever seen that before. Then I gotta get my net. It's all tangled up, of course. I gotta get in the water here. Alright, we're going to try not to let this one go. You don't seem like much of a fighter, but that don't mean nothing. We've already seen this before happen. I'm going to wear him out a little bit. Get him in this time. Stay in the water, buddy. Man, if I just had some waders on that I brought, finally. Whew. Let me get out here so we can look at this thing. Man, that's a whopper. Whoo, son. We got him. That's the main thing. That's a nice one. All right, let me get him out of here and catch another one. Well, I got me a little baby fish. Oh, it's a damn horny head. Fall fish. Sucker fish, what we call them. It has been an absolute very slow day. Now, I'm not saying everybody here has had a slow day, because we've seen somebody already with one fish shy of their limit, but it's I mean, it's pretty rough here. But you know what? Any day here on this stream, or any stream, is way better than being at work. So always got to remember that. Anyway, all I've really had bites on is this right here. This is Appalachian bait. It's pink worm. It's got lots of action and plenty of scent, so it's about the only thing I've really had any luck on. So we're going to continue on, head back towards the truck, and just keep going. This is a beautiful stream. I've never been down this end of it, so highly recommend coming here, guys. And I'm going to show you a very extremely nice cabin that we're staying in. it is expensive, but you know, think about this. I'm going to say it again, I'm sure, in the video. You could stay at a motel and you could get robbed during the night, so who knows? Yeah, I got hung up. Isn't that sweet? So anyway, just saying, you know, it's, I think we're paid $5.50, and then, you know, taxes like $5.80, so I got it back. So not too bad, but, you know, peace of mind. Well, it definitely looks like I'm in the right neighborhood. Redneck Boulevard. We have literally not caught a single fish since, shoot, before lunch, so I'll try to cross this fence here and not break my balls. Hopefully we can get on the other side. To come in, it's definitely set up for, it's very nice the way it's set up. It's got, you know, the deer, the fans, you know, pretty nice. You can even bring your pet, I think. Not sure, you better ask. But anyway, we'll go through the kitchen. Don't look at them Swiss rolls, ain't mine anyway. So this is the kitchen. Turn the light on. All right, pretty cool fixture. All right, we'll go down the hallway here. There's a bathroom, pretty nice. It's got laundry. Stand-up shower. Crapper. All right, we'll go back here. There's a bedroom. I think it's 4 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms. Yeah, it's 3 bedrooms. All right. One thing I don't like is there's no curtains. That's the only thing I would say is a drawback, but you know, whatever, I guess. All right, this is the bath. This is the bedroom that we're not using. This is the one where Potsy's in. He's got curtains, of course. All right, we'll go upstairs. That's where I'm at. That's pretty neat. All right, up the steps. It's very well made. I guess technically it's 4 bedrooms because this is kind of like a bedroom. It's got a day bed. Kitchen table. This is looking down from the loft. What do you think about that rug? It's a cow. All right. You have the bathroom. Just a regular tub up here. Crapper. And you have 2 beds in here. So it'll fit. It'll sleep several people in here. Now up here it doesn't matter about the curtains because second floor, so I didn't really care. All right, and there is the tour of this cabin. Highly recommend this cabin. And I will say that the people are extremely nice. We even got fresh farm eggs and sausage and biscuits and butter and all that stuff. That's pretty well taken care of here when we got here with food and such. So, well, with the condiments, I should say so. If you're trying to go to the lodge and it's booked, this is where you can come. I'm telling you, call these people. I'll leave a number and all their information down in the description. So definitely check them out and you'll stay very comfortable here.